Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to update Gmail or Google account phone number. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and go to Gmail. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at right corner, tap on profile icon, go to manage your Google account. Left side, click on personal information. Now shown here your phone number, click on. Tap onto pen icon. And here you can easily change or update your phone number. If you want to change your country, click on to next, and then finally click on to get code. Then you get a verification code, then put onto verification code, then successfully update Gmail or Google account phone number. So that's how you can do it.